Dappy do. Let's do it, y'all. Go fly this thing, baby.
Throttle cut.
Did it again. I must be keep turning that switch off.
Normal mode. Throttle cut.
Keep turning the dang switch off, y'all. Don't look at the mess. Yibba dibba doo doo dibba dibba doo. Yibba dibba doo dibba doo doo doo. Ah. Oh, mama. Let's get this going right. So where's that damn switch? Keep turning the damn thing off. Where the switch at? Damn switch at? It's on that time. So what the hell? What the hell going up on here? Got it working when I turn the switch on. Find that switch and pull it on out. Set it up here so I can turn it on and off when I want to. Nor am I singing. I know it can be very disconcerting, but sometimes I feel like doing it. Let's get that on out there like that. Get that on back there like that. Plug it in.
Normal mode.
When the sun goes down on here, get this plugged in here. It's all plugged in. Get back there and see how that
Throttle cut.
burner is working properly. Okay. That's there. That's there. Satellite works. Oh, let us go fly. Look at that sunset. Beautiful.
Takeoff flaps. Normal mode.
Get this thing connected. Not much wind right now, but there's a gorgeous sunset. Love flying when it's like this. Don't you tip on me, dang it.
Timer cleared.
Let's get going. Woohoo! We got the bright, look at that. Looks like burner's coming out the booty. This is a custom fiery booty. The real ones have a very dim afterburner. So I made this one the same. Bright white. It's got a little tint of purple and blue in it. Hopefully you can see it right there.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Woohoo!
Time remaining 1 minute. 30 seconds.
Oh, I did it again.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Alright, we're coming in because I've been flying pretty hard.
1. Time expired.
I know it's a 5,000, but
Gear down.
still want to be safe.
Landing flaps.
Kind of hard to see with the clouds like that, though. Sheesh. There we go. Now we're good. Woo, drifting, baby, drifting.
Flaps up.
Let's see the burner
Throttle
here with
cut.
the. There, you can see it now with the.
Normal mode.
Let's get back and get up close so you can see.
Throttle cut.
Custom colors. If you want custom colors, I have ways to do it now. Alright, that's it.